What's up, D-Grade? How you doing, man? Getting everything set up. Give everybody a few minutes to hop on in here, man. Then we'll be rocking. Let's do a mic check, man. Mega Man. Get a little tweet out and then we'll be rocking. See what they got trending on Twitter real quick. All right. What's up, RW? D-Grade, the trivia man over here. Give everybody a few minutes to get in here and then we'll be rocking, man. Hope everybody's doing good tonight. I know we're seeing crypto kind of dip off, but we are starting to bounce back from that low right here, 1949. Hit that little 1946, so not quite touching it, but pretty much there. What's up, Envu? How you doing, man? Envu, I'm starting to hop on your train of thought process, man, with the market right now. I think there's a lot of FUD going on, and we're gonna touch base on all that. A lot to do with the government shutdown. Could quite possibly bring crypto and stocks down this week. I got some news articles to pop over. What's up, Mr. Rick? How you doing, man? Yeah, we tried to run a little Doge live stream earlier. I was gonna try to do 24/7. We still might let it run tonight. They didn't really have a turnout during the day, early morning this morning. So we'll see how it goes. We'll play with it. But there was something with the YouTube search results. I couldn't, like when I was away from the computer, I couldn't even find my video on there. So I don't know what's going on. So another red day in the crypto space, guys. Nothing really popping. Shiba's up 1%. Pretty much, I'll check the Coinbase app to see what else is actually up. But everything's looking a little bearish right now, as usual. And I think that might continue for the next couple days, guys. So Congress right now is currently, pull up this article I got. Bring this up. So how do you feel about the impact of the U.S. government shutdown, guys? Let's jump into this article. So Americans, including hundreds of thousands of federal employees, will soon feel the impact of the U.S. government shutdown if lawmakers don't reach an agreement by the end of Thursday, the last day of the fiscal year, which is this upcoming Thursday. So the federal government officials closed at 12:01 a.m. on Friday morning. Congress is one step closer to a shutdown after Senate Republicans late Monday blocked the bill to fund the government at current levels, suspend the debt ceiling. If they would have approved this, they would have suspended the debt ceiling into December. Gave them a little bit more time, but time's really of the essence right now to get something passed in the next couple of days, and I think the market's going to continue to reflect that. Yeah, we're seeing some pretty good bounces right here off these levels of support, but we keep testing them. And let me pull up the 30-minute chart. It's not good, man. We're still in that hard downtrend right here. Get the 1 hour going. So it is not looking good. We hit that 20 level, bounce down. Now we're in between that channel right here. Can't quite get over 20. Pull up the 5 minute. Can't quite get over 20. And we got that 200-day creeping down to come meet it. So I do think if we keep riding these lower lines of supports, we're going to continue breaking to the downside until we get that reversal, which could quite possibly come in the form of a bill. I think that will spice up the market again, but that's not currently happening right now, and there's a bunch of FUD about the government shutting down. We saw Janet Yellen, she came on, talked to Congress, basically said, look, if y'all don't get a deal done by Friday morning, or Thursday night, whatever you want to call it, basically we have enough money to operate to October 18th. But if they don't get it done, which is Wednesday, so they have tomorrow and the day after, if it doesn't get done, you're going to see some pretty good red across the board. I think that's why we keep seeing this downtrend right now. But there's an upside to it, because as soon as they do get something passed, the market should look to start correcting. That might be the turnaround that we're waiting on right here, and that could be the possibility of why October could be decent crypto, even if it's a little bit later in the month, say October 15th. It'll be before the 18th. They'll have a bill actually out. They're not going to let the government run out they're just not going to do it. So we'll keep a close eye on it, but I do think we're getting pretty close to what I think could be bottom, and it might happen between now and October 15th. So that reason alone, I'm currently not purchasing anything. I'm just sitting on the sidelines. I got some money in USDT. My ADA, all that good stuff. But I'm not adding to anything right now. It's at this level where, just say the whales would flash crash it. Just to get everybody out. It's definitely a possibility. It's something I'm not worried about. So I am keeping my eye on it. Music loud? My bad, man. Turn that down. Sorry about that. Is that better? What's up, SD Crypto? Thanks for popping in, man. All right, what about now? Can y'all hear me now? Wait for a mic check. Y'all got it. I apologize, guys. It is a new setup. A little more. What about right there? I can turn the mic volume up a little bit too. All right, let's try that. All right, tell me what y'all think right there. It is a bit delayed by like 10 seconds, so he sounds like he's rapping lyrics to the beat. Yeah, if y'all, I can turn down some more. Y'all let me know. So, yeah, I got you, man. I'll throw it back on in a second. So, did y'all hear me break down? Did y'all hear me break down this article or no? So basically, what I was saying, you know, if they can't come up with a bill come, you know, Thursday night, I think it's gonna bring a lot more red into the market for the short term. So that's why I'm holding off to the side right now. I have some cash in USDT. I'm not currently buying anything. I'm just kind of playing the sidelines right now. Still holding my Doge, still holding my ADA. I just think there's going to be some pretty good buying opportunities about to happen here if we're not seeing them right here. But I still think there's room to bleed off for the rest of the week, guys. So I am feeling a little bit more bearish about the market as of current, just because the way that they're actually handling this situation right here. They're going back and forth, but Congress is you know, one step closer to a shutdown after they blocked the bill for to fund the government at the current levels to suspend debt, which that would have suspended it to December. So we have till October 18th with the amount of money that we actually have to spend if they would suspend it, if they don't come to agreement for Thursday. So if that were to happen, we could possibly go into that time frame to October 18th, quite possibly seeing quite a bit of red. So we'll have to see what happens. I'm keeping a close eye on it. I am pretty concerned about that situation, just for the investment standpoint of the market's taking a pretty good hit from that. That's some pretty good FUD. The government goes to shut down, stocks and crypto are gonna, you know, in my opinion, they're gonna take quite a shit. So just be prepared for it. I'm not selling my Doge or my ADA during this time because I don't know what's gonna happen. They could reach a bill tomorrow. Highly doubt it. It's not looking promising, but you know, they're not gonna let the U.S. default on its debt on October 18th. So somewhere between now and that time frame is what I'm kind of lining up for the market's rebounding. You know, seeing Doge above 35 cents, seeing Ethereum, you know, back to 4,000, and starting to climb for having a good month in October. That's what I'm really hoping for. But until we get the news about the bill, guys, I think we're going to continue to bleed off. I think that's the major factor. Was pushing stocks down, was pushing crypto down. Let me pull this up real quick. Let's check the markets. See, red. Whole board is freaking red, man. So I think that's pretty much a good indicator about what is going on right now. I think it's just the U.S. government, you know, it's flooding everything up right now, and it just might be giving you some better buying opportunities, to be honest with you. But my concern right here is flash crash number one. Like the whales would really hit the market hard while we're already back to some levels where we were close to 3 months ago. 16-cent Doge. We're seeing 19-cent Doge when Bitcoin's at 41, so that's a little bit concerning for me. Bitcoin was at 26 when Doge was at 16, give or take. So we'll have to see what happens. But we do have a lot of buying pressure on that 1940, 49, 1950 range. So we got really strong support, but we had really strong support at 20 cents. So we broke down under there, and we came back to retest it here. Got rejected, sold off. If we get rejected here, you probably sell back off to somewhere around 1960, and possibly if we can't hold that, you'll be retesting that 1950 range in the short term. Possibly into tonight, early tomorrow. So I'm getting a little concerned after we broke that 20 level, because that 20 level was really strong for us. We bounced about 5 times off of it. And just going through the market, sentiment is super low. It's just not there. Volume's not here. I don't care how you shake it. People are selling their crypto. Retail's not as excited as they were back in April, beginning of the year, when Dogecoin was absolutely ripping. It's just, it's almost feels like we're in a little bit of a bearish trend, bearish market per se. But I still believe we're setting up for one more run. Like I said, I'm weighing a lot of what I'm telling you right here on the fact that they're going to pass a bill come here shortly, guys. So that's what I'm waiting on. That's what I think is going to be the reversal for the market, and it's possibly going to be into October. It's not going to be later than October 18th. So I think between now and that time frame, you're going to get a really good buying opportunity. You could quite possibly continue to bleed off each and every day, maybe have a couple green days in between. We'll have to see. But as far as the stock market, it's right across the board. All the futures are down. You have the crypto space, pretty much everything's down except for Shiba. Let's see what else they got. Give me a second. Let me just check my Coinbase app real quick. Like, seriously, is Shiba the only thing green? Like, I think it's the only thing that's green. Cody's down 9%, Ren's down 9%, XTZ is down 8%, FET is down 7.82%. Man, it's just a sea of red, and I don't think it's done. I'm usually a bull about the market too. I'm always optimistic about it bouncing right back, but as of right now, that is major FUD and uncertainty for me as an investor. I'm not selling because it's gonna bounce back. It will be back, but it's I would say, buckle up, get ready for the possibility of seeing some pretty low numbers on crypto from what we're used to seeing right now, and just get ready. Don't get scared. Just know it's a possibility right now. That's all I want to tell y'all. Make sure that you have your because if people know it's a possibility, like, hey, we could see 16 cent, possibly maybe below that, they'd be less likely to freak out, and just with the way that the market's working right now, with the government shutdown looming, with they're playing politics over there on Capitol Hill. So we'll see what happens, guys. But I am optimistic once they pass this bill. I think that will be the reversal we're all looking for. Or do you think it's solid government? And what's up, Ben Cadillac? I just think it's politics, man. I saw somewhere in one of the bills they were trying to pass was like $2 million for a park in San Francisco, which I'm guessing whoever is in that district could use as a re-election campaign tool. I don't know, man. It's politics. It's messed up, man. They're talking about cutting off a lot of government assistance for people like Medicaid. I'm sure they'll cut I don't know if they'll cut food stamps. That might be like, you know, they'll probably keep that up, but I don't know. They're cutting Medicaid if they don't pass this, man. Medicaid funding is going to run out. A lot of stuff's going to run out, so it's going to cause a lot of FUD and uncertainty in the market, and I think we'll be seeing Bitcoin, you know, possibly back around 37 if we don't get no news this week. It's looking pretty decent on the 5-minute, but that's just a 5-minute chart here, guys. I mean, if we keep getting rejected right here, let's go to 30-minute. I mean, that's a hard downtrend. Yeah, I'm saying all this, and you see these little pops on the 1-minute. Yeah, the 1-minute looks freaking great. You go over here to 30-minute, get the bigger picture. Like, we're in a hard downtrend. We're not popping back up. And we have that 50-day moving average sitting on top of level of resistance. I think we get knocked back. I think we get slapped back down and possibly go back to retest 40,762. And then maybe even break below that. So I'm actually bearish right now about the whole entire market, guys. I mean, that's just my opinion. I hope I'm wrong. I really do. Hopefully the turnaround is quicker than what we think. But my basis and my theory behind this whole situation is totally 100% based on the fact that, you know, yes, the government's going to print a bunch more money to pass this bill. A lot of it is needed to maintain the country. Some of it's not. You know, I'm not here to debate that. I'm just saying that the markets are going to take a hit because of this. And we'll see if I'm right or I'm wrong. But I think I'm going to have some really, really good buying opportunities, because as soon as that bill's passed, you're going to see crypto and stocks bounce. Like, man, you're going to have some good days after they pass this bill. And that's, you know, that's going to be short term for me. You know, into this bull cycle, I'm thinking it's still end of the year, into January, possibly maybe into February. You might have some altcoins still running. But after that, I'm looking to sell a good majority of everything and just wait to buy back in at a good price, man. What's up, Clown Baby? How you doing? Matt, they will kill the market. Don't get me wrong. I'm with the movement, but they are eventually either kill the US dollar and gold, which is impossible, or I think they're gonna come out with their own crypto, kind of like what China's doing. They're not gonna ban it. I don't think we're in store for a ban, man. I think what China did actually gives the US a leg up in the crypto space, to be honest with you. ADA having a pretty nice green candle, but can it get over this level of resistance? We'll see. So Bitcoin's testing that level right here. Let's go to 5-minute. So 5-minute having some pretty good price action. Pretty hard bounce right there. So we'll have to see what happens right here. FTM up 3%. I didn't see that, man. Pretty much everything's down right now. Sheeb's up 1%. So FTM up 3%. 4 or 5 years, whatever that time frame. I got you, man. That's it, Clown Baby. It's just a bunch of dead cat bounces, man. It's not looking too hot. Degrade. What's happening, my man? Member for 2 months, dude. Thank you very much for becoming a channel member, man. Greatly appreciate it. Thank you very much, man. Something about the Chinese yuan, Snowman? Crypto yen, something like that. Who wants to buy USGT? Nobody. Oh, it'd be absolutely dirty. It'd be filthy, man. But that's not going to happen. You can see right here what I was telling y'all. Look on the 30-minute chart. We are testing that level right here of resistance with that 50-day, which is currently being treated as resistance. And it's pull up the 1 minute. We are bouncing off of that, so you might see a pretty good, depending if we hold this, you probably bounce back to this 50-day moving average. I don't think we get the break right there, guys. Yeah, the chart looks awesome right there. It's the 1 minute chart. You go back to the 30 minute, that's what you're looking at. So still a lot of buying pressure, shoots right back up. But we're still not breaking them levels, and I think that trend continues at least until Thursday. Possibly if we get news on a bill, that could turn things around like in the snap of a finger. We'll be right back on track, but I don't think it's going to happen. I think they're going to play politics, let it go on past Thursday, and possibly into next week. So we'll keep a close eye on it. I'll be, of course, it'll be breaking news. You should get the alert on your phone, whether you have alerts or not. They'll post that alert because that's pretty serious. You know, people's Medicaid, just their Social Security checks, everything's gonna be frozen. You know, so they're gonna do something. They have to. There's no way around it. They're gonna have to raise the debt ceiling. But you have to ask yourself, like, that's not necessarily, you know, it's gonna cause more inflation when inflation's already on the rise. Like, it's just. And we've yet to see crypto become a hedge against inflation. It hasn't happened yet. So, like, at what point do we see a turnaround, this or that? But we're dropping with the stock market, guys. The futures are down. Everything's red. This is the whole entire world. All the markets completely red. Very few. Oil and gas doing great. Oil and gas is booming. I mean, I don't get what they're doing, man. They're playing politics and it's pissing me off. But that's the game. See, we're getting rejected right here, just like I thought we would. And the way I saw that, guys, that way if you know, I'm not on the air and you want to kind of get basic chart reading skills, is that 50-day. That's why it's so important. And then knowing your support resistance, basically where you have more than 3 touch points at the tops of these candles, tops or bottom, you can find support. That 50-day right here is sitting on that level of resistance, and on the 5-minute chart you are getting a pretty good rejection right there. So well, you could definitely bounce off this 200-day moving average and pop right back above it. That's very possible, but we'll keep an eye on it right here. We're getting pretty good rejection right now. So let's see how far we actually drop. Usually them rejection points right here, like you see we got rejected here, we fell off pretty good all the way back to 41,390. Maybe a little bit lower. So not to say we're going there right now, but that's what I look for rejection. Yep, the markets look stagnant right here, dude. They're just steady bleeding off 4 or 5% every day. Some securities. We've got XRP sitting at 90 cents. I was thinking 92 to 90 was a pretty good buy on it. I'm currently waiting. I mean, it still ain't a bad buy. I think once the bill is passed, the markets will react accordingly. Everything will start to shoot back up for, you know, a brief period of time, maybe a month, maybe 3 months. Maybe start seeing some of these highs that we're thinking about for the rest of the year. But time's running out, guys. I mean, it's crunch time. It's October. We need to get some price movement happening in the market, and we're just not seeing that yet. Oil and bank stocks green today, while the rest of the market sold off. Whale games. Hey, you already know, clown baby. Sorry to see your Litecoin. Ooh, I took Litecoin off of here. No, there it is. 143, down 2.35% on the day, man. XRP 90 cents, down 2.65%. Ethereum's down 2.61. This is day after day after day, guys, and yeah, it gets frustrating seeing this shit. But I'm fully convinced it's because of the government right now. The United States government needs to get their act together, get the bill passed, and you know, do what they were put in office to do. Yes, I don't like the inflation aspect, but we can't default on our debt. I mean, it's just not feasible. They're gonna have to raise it. It's gonna happen by the 18th. I think they're gonna play politics into next week. It's just my opinion, just my thoughts. They could definitely pass it tomorrow. The markets could shoot up, you know, a good bit tomorrow. Have a really decent green day. But until that news comes out about the bill, I think we'll bleed off, and you possibly might see a flash crash in between that point. Because the whales know that shit too. They know that the government's playing politics right here. There's a lot of FUD going into the market, so they're probably shorting the crap out of it. selling their position in hopes to buy back lower before it rips off for the last time after the news of the bill being passed. These whales are smart. They know what they're doing. Got to trade with them. So, yeah, I'm holding, but I'm also looking to add in somewhere around the bottom. And I think we're getting close. I think we are. Like I said, tomorrow the bill could absolutely be passed. It doesn't look likely right now. But until we see that happen, we'll continue to bleed off, 2-3% every day, I believe, which could possibly last into next week. You could be, if they would flash crash this thing from the levels that we're sitting on right now, you could be looking at some pretty low prices on Doge. I'm not trying to scare anybody, but it could surprise you. But I don't think it'll be long-lived. It'll be really quick. So just if you're in the market right now, just be prepared to see Ethereum under 26, Doge possibly under 16, Cardano somewhere around 175ish, Bitcoin back somewhere mid 30s. I'm thinking if we continue on this track that we're on right now. And I'm usually a bull, so it takes a lot for me to come on here and say stuff like that, but it's just what I'm seeing. I'm gonna keep it 100 with you guys. What's up, Jonathan K, man? It's all good, brother. Good to see you, man. Yeah, Jizzy, we need to get out of September, man. This shit's probably gonna continue to. There's a date for October 18th where the country will run out of money. So it will be, in my opinion, I would say mid-October, the markets will really start, soaring back. And we'll see what happens. We'll see if I'm right. But I think it could be mid-October. Let me see if I missed a comment. 3 weeks straight dipping. Yeah, man, just a bunch of FUD. Bitcoin perfectly stair-stepping down. They're testing our mental toughness. Yeah, definitely, and they're playing on top of the FUD right now, man. People are concerned. You got Dogecoin at 20 cents, man. That level, we touched it 5 times, man. 5 freaking times. We tested Doge at 20 cents, and we finally broke down. I told y'all last night, if we kept retesting that level, we would eventually drop below it, and we did. And I'm still feeling the same way leading for the rest of the week. I don't think we get a bill this week. If I'm wrong, I'll be happy I'm wrong. I really will. I just don't think we get a bill. Snowman, fun is right, yo, or FUD is right? I think it's FUD. Eventually buyers step in, just hope. I'm not too far in the red. Everything is back down to where I bought it. I feel you, clown. I really do, man. I bought some Ethereum at 26. It's at 28, So I got Dogecoin that I bought a while back that's currently in the red, but I'm still up overall. I really think I think if what I'm thinking happens, we might be surprised by some crypto numbers. Very short-lived though. I don't think it's gonna last, guys. Don't think it's gonna last. What side? You in here, bro? What side? We Smokes just sponsored. Hey, thank you very much, man. Good to see you, brother. I would play your song. I actually put that Rhythm of the Night. I thought I found a copyright-free version, but nah, I got tagged for that, so I had to take it down. But good to see you, man. Thank you for the sponsorship, man. Greatly appreciate you, my brother. Hey, Matt, CEI to the moon. I didn't see. I'm sure it's doing good, man. Oil and gas is. Camber is. I would not touch it, man. I would stay away from it. If you're in it, I hope you're making really good tendies on it. The chart looks freaking awesome, dude. I'm just, man, coming from where it came from, I'm not gonna FOMO into this. It's already on my mind. I ain't doing it. If you're in it, dude, I hope you're making all the money in the world. I can't touch it right now. Just not gonna happen. But yeah, CEI looks freaking nice, man. That's that level it was sitting at, so that's what it ran today. Let me get a quote up here so I can actually see what the hell it did. Camber Energy. up 20% today. I mean, man, what's it gonna do tomorrow? Are they gonna continue to pump this thing up? It's got volume. It's got momentum. What's it gonna do, man? Zach, you still holding it, man? Let me know. And put that back to Matic. But no, the chart looks beautiful, man. I'm just not. I'm not gonna mess with it, man. Robert Dean, was that you telling us to buy CEI the other day? Pop some ADA back up here. So ADA still setting those lower lows right now, guys. Same pattern as Bitcoin. Hard sell off. Like when Moon would say, giraffe drinking from water right here. That's what the chart looks like. So 1 hour right here. A lot of people hoping for a bounce right here to signify you are getting a ascending level of support. But I heard some guys say that earlier. I'm like, man, I don't know. If we don't pass that bill, I think we're gonna drop. You know, somewhere 190 looks pretty solid right there for ADA. If the FUD continues and we keep bleeding the way we are, you know, anywhere from 1 to 5% down every day until this bill gets passed, yeah, we can definitely see 191 ADA. That's why I'm holding off. You're sitting at 206 right there. You know, what's the extra 15 cents, man? You know, so we'll see what happens. Ethereum is creating head and shoulder pattern. We could 3.5, then boom, easily to 2300. Keep your eyes on it. Chinese miners shutting down. Yeah, I hear you, man. But if you remember when they moved the Bitcoin miners out, it was only a process about 2 weeks, and they were already back. So that was pretty quick. I don't think they'll be down long. You know, these people got huge operations. You know, make a lot of money doing this. They're not going to be down for long. Man, we don't need government regulations, bro, because they own BTC as well. Yeah, we don't need no. I don't want government regulations, but I think it eventually will happen. I should probably just sell and buy back lower. It's a tough call. I always feel like crypto could go nuclear any minute. Look, man, it is a tough decision. It is a tough choice. It is really uncertain right now, and that's why we're in this bearish market. You're having so much uncertainty right now. I do think it goes lower. Will the bill get passed? Just say hypothetically, you're damned if you do and you're damned if you don't. You sit here and you bleed off 3 to 5% every day, which is a possibility right now. It's what we're doing every single day for the past 3 weeks, bleeding off, having a couple green days in between, off some good news. You know, we don't have any news right now. We're currently bleeding off. We have FUD, so the bears are in control right here. I fully believe they're in control right here. Will the bill get passed tomorrow? Possibly into Thursday. Thursday would be the earliest, I think. And if you see you hop out right here, the market starts to turn around, you kind of beat yourself up over it. So I'm chilling, man. I'm personally not selling out. I'm gonna ride this out and see what happens on the back end. See if I'm right. I do think I'll be right. I think some point between now and 2 weeks. I give it 2 weeks, and I think it'll be possibly the shorter end of that 2 week span. I think it would possibly go into next week, maybe even the weekend. We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. Could quite possibly be this weekend. So keep that on your mind. Could quite possibly be this weekend. That's what I'm thinking. What's up, Lollipop? Matt, fun, not FOMO. Is DKMR a fluke up 60%? It's a penny stock. I didn't see it today, man. Man, that's tough to tell. I mean, we saw Naked run pretty good too. I don't know what DKMR is. Let me see. Let me pull this up. Let's see what we got. up 64%. Extreme Fighting Championship. I don't know, brother. There's no news on this thing. DKMR. Let's go to stock page right here. See if I can pop this up right here. Let's go to news section. 85. Dude, there's no news on this thing, and it is just ripping, bro. Man, this thing used to be 18 cents, man. Could be getting some volume stepping back in, man. I would say that you might be able to double your money on this. I'll be watching it tomorrow and see what happens. Last time that RSI was really heating up, you hit that top up here. Yeah, I'll keep an eye on it, man. Thanks for bringing that to my attention, man. Really appreciate that. I don't know why it's ripping. I don't know if it's a fluke or not. But we'll see, man. DYDX all-time high. I heard somebody talk about that today. DYDX. Yeah, we'll see what happens with it, man. Could be reloading right here. You know, RSI is kind of hot. You got all moving averages converging, but that 14 is starting to hook up. You might have a decent day with it tomorrow, man. But I don't know. We'll see. If government regulations come, it could be a mass corrections. Maybe so. Maybe so. Yeah, guys, if y'all could, man, sentiment's been super low. If y'all could just hit that like button for me, man. Try to get some new people to the stream. I greatly appreciate it. If the laws change, you're gonna look like a genius. It's all good, Mr. Dean. What's up, Mr. ROFLLMAO? How you doing, my man? I see you new to the channel. Hope you hit that subscribe button for us, man. Join the community. If you got any questions, please feel free to let me know. My BITF is looking really shaky. HUT 8, HUT 2. Yeah, it's just currently reflected with the Bitcoin price, man. That's probably going to take some hits as well until we start getting some news about this bill they're trying to pass, man. Everything is in limbo until then, I believe. Pull up some 5-minute action. So, yep, that's that channel we had on HUT. So you can see the 27th. This is the start of the day right here. Bled off the whole day. So, yeah, I think a 7.60 retest is very possible for tomorrow. I think he'll bleed off tomorrow too. I don't see it being green. I don't see why the news would put everything green unless the bill gets passed tomorrow. That'd be the only scenario. On the 5-minute though, Bitcoin's having a little bit of volume stepping in the very minute short term. That 14-day is hooking over that 50 and is looking straight up. Will you get the break? You quite possibly could right here. But where would that put us at? Will we just, briefly break over the top and come right back down. We'll have to see. But we're not breaking these tops yet. So you see this top, we're still setting those lower highs right here. So that's what's got me concerned right here. Not seeing it turn around quite yet. I didn't even see the wrench, dude. I'm sorry. Who is that? Win Moon? I'm selling some skate tonight. Jonathan K says I grabbed some more Hut. Just need crypto to take off. I think Hut will follow. Yeah, just like I said, the whole basis of everything I'm talking about right here is been on this bill. I can say 1,000 times, but I really do feel like until this bill is passed, we'll continue to bleed off just a little bit each and every day. That's if the whales don't play with it and we see a flash crash. I really hope not. Yeah, man. Your love child. Good to see you in chat, man. Yes, yes, clown. Well, the Thursday is the deadline, man. Let me pull up the article. Show you what I'm talking about. So the end of the fiscal year is Thursday, man, and they have until Thursday, the last day of the fiscal year. The federal government will officially close at 12:01 a.m., which they have enough money to last. Keep everything rolling to October 18th if a bill's not passed by Thursday, which is this Thursday, man. So there's a lot going to be going on between now and Thursday. I think Thursday afternoon, quite possibly, if you don't get news of a bill, I think you'll start the markets to really the FUD will take over at that point. I think you'll see quite a bit of selling pressure going on. And I think it could really affect the crypto markets too as well. I don't think nobody would be safe from it in the short term. That's where I'm saying I'm on the sidelines. I think it could be a better buying opportunity if that continues. Oh, Andre P, man. What's up, brother? Sorry about that, man. I wasn't in BD's chat today. I would have saw you in there. I was super busy, man. Good to see you though, man. I would like to grab the BTC 42. Yeah, I would too, man. I mean, it's possible we have a green day tomorrow. I wouldn't see why, unless you just have really strong support at where we're sitting at, I don't see it. I mean, I kind of had a gut feeling today. Like I was like, man, it might be green tomorrow. And nah, man, I mean, it's another day where we're bleeding off 2 to 5% on almost every crypto. Some other cryptos are down 10-12%. It's maybe some even more. It's just we don't have any news. We got nothing but FUD rocking the market with this with our government playing politics right now. But there's light at the end of the tunnel. Between now at this point and October 18th, I think that's the turnaround. How low will we go before then? No one can tell you, but if I was a whale, and this is my thought process, if I want to scare everybody before the last run, me personally, I would flash crash it. If I had the ability, like if I was in that mind state. I'm not that type of trader. I'm just saying like how these whales are thinking. If I want to flash crash the market, really shake out the paper hands, I would hit it while you're low on across the board. And they can do it, man. I mean, they've done it time and time again. And that would be a surefire way to get everybody out. The people that, make it unpredictable, the paper hands. So we'll see what happens, man. Every time BTC has bounced, it can't break resistance and goes right back down. Been frustrating, but it'll be worth it in the end, December/January. That's how I'm feeling, Clown Baby. I think the turnaround's between now and October 18th, man. But you're 100% right, dude. We get knocked down. We can't get over resistance. We keep getting rejected and going down even further. Like I said, that trend will probably continue till the bill is passed. And watch. The day the bill is passed, we're going to run, probably have a 10% across the board and start gaining every day. I mean, ADA, I just can't believe you've seen that at 205. I can't believe you've seen Doge over 20. I thought that fifth retest on 20 cents off of Doge would have really got the market moving, but it didn't, man. It did not. Jonathan K says time to drop some, time to invest in some money printing companies. Yeah, you're not lying, my brother. More money, yo. While we already got inflation woes. I mean, every single month, gas prices are going up, and food prices are also going up. So you're taking the most hits right now at the gas pump, at the grocery store, and it's going to continue to climb up. I mean, you know, Jerome Powell came out today. That also didn't help. You know, he told them inflation woes could last longer than what was expected. So you got all this shit happening at the same time that the government can't get their shit together to pass a bill to keep the government funded. Raise the debt ceiling, and yeah, while we're all against printing money, but it has to be done at this point. There's no debating it. Like, maybe it won't get done, you know. They have to. There's no way around that. We need to get this out of the way, keep it as small as possible, which it'll probably be a huge package, just what I'm guessing. Really pump some money into the market artificially. I think pump the market up for the rest of the year. I think that's where we could possibly start seeing some of these numbers that we were thinking about, possibly Bitcoin 100K, you know, especially with the good news, maybe with XRP pumping up. That XRP win over the SEC would be a pretty good victory for all of crypto. So I think that will lift the whole crypto space up quite a bit. We'll just have to see what happens, man. It really sucks right now. It really does. Even being a crypto YouTuber, like, sentiment's super low, man. It really is. You know, just going across these chats and stuff, like, people are, you know, concerned. We got a couple people in here I know bought quite a bit of Doge pretty high, and, you know, they're very concerned about this right now. And my only advice that I can give, if you're sitting up high and you have a lot of money invested into it, would not be to sell for loss. Definitely not. I would be trying to average down any way I could right now. But I'm currently would hold off right here. I don't think we're at bottom right here. I was thinking the other day we were getting close to bottom, but it's not. I think we'll go a little bit further, guys. That's just my personal opinion. Hopefully I'm wrong right here. Andre P, man, aka Doctor, roll on the floor laughing. Thank you very much for the channel membership, man. Welcome to tier 2. Thank you very much, man. Greatly appreciate the support. If I had more money, I'd be hyped. Yeah, money to buy the dip, man. I mean, you can kind of maybe treat it in an aspect of like, hey, I'm not gonna take everything out, but I might take like 20%. That way I do have some money to average down on the dips. That'd be the only maybe something I would look at doing right now. But I'm preparing myself. I'm preparing myself to see ADA at 190. You know, I'm preparing myself to see Doge at possibly 16 cents again, maybe lower. Like, that's the mindset I'm having right now. I'm not saying that's what's about to happen, but if I prepare myself to see those numbers, I won't get scared if it does happen, if a flash crash does come out of nowhere, because that shit right there is unpredictable. You cannot predict when the whales, unless you're a whale, that's about to fucking happen to you, and then you get stuck feeling like you're holding a bag, but the bag will become lighter, guys. After this bill is passed, you won't be holding such a heavy bag. That bag will start turning into a fresh bag of tendies for us again, man. Jason Gregory says, I'm here, man, just listening on the road. Hope you ain't got your family. I'll try to keep it PG, man. Sorry about that, guys. It's pronounced Rawful. Lamao. That's it, brother. Guys, give me a few seconds. I'll be right back. I'm going to go refill my drink. Give me a few seconds. Alright guys, sorry about that. See where we at. Click the 5 minute right here. Now I'll catch back up with the chat. What's up, GP? How you doing, man? Thank you, Robert Dean, man. Says the new chart setup is looking sweet. Thank you, man. Yeah, I just went, actually I had one of the kids wake up. I was in the middle of getting some water, so I had to check on them. Good to see you though, man. Clown Baby says average cost of Litecoin is 136, Ethereum 27.43, Doge 20 cents. Still barely up on 2 and down a little bit on Doge right now. Yeah, I'm kind of concerned about Ethereum, man. I hold a good bit of Ethereum, and I'm thinking we'll see possibly sub 26, man, if we continue this downtrend that we're in and don't get a reversal before the bill is actually signed by Congress. So hope for the best, expect the worst. That's kind of my mind state with the market right now. Dude says he barbecued salmon. That sounds extremely good. We usually just cook it in the oven, but I need to try to barbecue it, man. What's up, Ben Collins? I'm hoping we just need to get to Q4 to get this thing going again. Hopefully so, my brother. Hopefully so, man. Robert Dean saying no matter what, all the crypto is going to go back up. Always goes down. Come up to the future of... Welcome to the future of crypto. Bitcoin back at 45. That's what I'll be hoping I wake up to. I hope so, Clown. I just, man, I don't see it, man. We just got rejected off that level of resistance right there at 41,886. So that's how I had that line pop there, and it held true. That was that level of support turned level of resistance. Now that we're actually finally broke below it. And same thing for Doge. After we had that fifth retest, we finally got that break. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then that was kind of that fifth test right here. We just kind of slid underneath it. So we'll be watching it. It's nice to see it at 1981 toward the higher end of that channel right here. But as you can see, we went all the way back down to that next level, 1950 right there. So if we can't get that break, I could definitely see a retest of 1950 between now and some point tomorrow during the regular trading hours. It sucks only getting a paycheck once a month. It's hard to wait for settle fund. Yeah, dude, that's rough, man. Especially if you're looking to buy something right now. I'm currently waiting, dude. GP, I know you just hopped in here, but I think a lot of the FUD's happening with the, with the delay in the debt ceiling and passing this next bill. So they have until Thursday night or Friday morning, 12:01 a.m., and then the government will shut down officially. I don't think you see a bill this week. Maybe this weekend, maybe. They'll be working around the clock during the government shutdown, hopefully, to get this resolved. But I don't think we see it this week. I could be wrong. I hope I'm wrong, because I think once the bill is passed, that could be the reversal we're looking for across the markets. We'll start to see some pretty good numbers on after that. But leading up into that, I think we continue to bleed anywhere between 1 and 5%, possibly very, very probable even more on some coins. Like we saw Cody coin was down 10% today. A lot of cryptos are down pretty significantly, but it's every day for the past 3 weeks. That's what's, we're just in this constant downtrend, and it's really shitty, man. It's really getting a lot of people really concerned right here. I'm a little concerned. My main concern is not so much if the bill passed, is when it will pass and what happens in between now and that point. Will we see a possible flash crash from the wheels off of Bitcoin to really get the market shook up? Quite possibly. If you're holding crypto, that could get pretty scary for you. But if you're kind of expecting it, you know what to expect. So you won't be as freaked out if you start seeing Ethereum under 26, Doge at 16 again. ADA possibly that 190 level. It sucks right now, but after the bill is passed, I think that's a clear shot. You could quite possibly get the reversal we're looking for. Sorry, that pretty big bump on Bitcoin right here just caught my eye in that mid rant I was having right there. What's up, One Shot GT? How you doing, my brother? What's up? How is everyone tonight? Have to take advantage, buy these juicy dips. Let's go, man. Good to see you in the chat, my brother. Thank you very much for tuning in, man. I'll make a barbecue oven. Oh yeah, I definitely think Ethereum can succeed for the long run, man. I'm still hoping you see these high bull run numbers everybody's kind of expecting right here. Getting some more green pumping in the Bitcoin off the 5-minute chart. Might get some volume to where we can get back above that 41,886 level. We'll see what happens. Death cross on Bitcoin 1 hour chart. We'll check it out. One Shot GT dropping some love with the super sticker, dude. Thank you very much for that $10 super sticker, man. Thank you for tuning in tonight, man. Very good to see you, my man. Thank you very much. No more breaking the stream, man. I upgraded the PC. Got a pretty nice setup, so very happy with it. Hopefully we can catch it just in time for when crypto really start rocking. So yeah, if you're referring to where the 14-day moving average crosses over that 200-day, and then we've been living in some really bearish territory, that's on the 5-minute. I mean, look at that right there. That's that 14-day hooking hard right here on the 30-minute, and that's what I'm concerned about. If we don't get this bounce here and get above this support, we're gonna get knocked down quite a bit further, guys. So we'll have to see what happens here. I'm thinking we go down a little bit more. I don't think it's quite bottom yet. I really don't. And I was thinking it was bottom somewhere around 42 the other night, but that was me kind of expecting them to not really play around, play politics, and move this thing even further to the deadline of Thursday. And there was also a possibility of expanding the time frame to December for you to possibly give them some more time to work out a plan, but that's not happening. Republicans knocked that down today, so we have quite a time crunch happening right here. You have until Thursday night, 12:01, before the government does shut down, to get it going. If not, you have until October 18th. Janet Yellen came out, talked to Congress, said if the bill's not passed, we have enough money to operate into October 18th. They're not going to let it go past that date. So that gives you a time frame, a solid time frame of a little bit more than 2 weeks from this point on, to where I think the reversal's coming. But how low will we go before that reversal? Let's see, we get some super chats coming in. My day was good. One Shot, thank you, man. Coming in with another $5 super sticker, followed by a super chat coming from Mr. Robert Dean for $4.99. Break the stream. It's not gonna happen, man. I got a pretty good graphics card now. I'm rocking. Bought 64 gigs of RAM. Make sure I had enough. So we are rocking, man. Got a pretty nice setup going on. RSI getting pretty low on the 4 hour at 39 now. Yeah, we'll bust out some 4 hour TA here in a second, my man. Still, man, if we were, let's see, Yep, I used the 1450 and 200 day, clown baby. That's the three I use, my man. What's up, Pearl? How you doing, brother? You ever see these types of movements? What you talking about, Snowman? One Shot GT coming in hot with another $5 super sticker. Thank you very much, man. Y'all know I'm a sucker for them super stickers. I sure do like them super stickers, man. Not because y'all give me $5-10, but because I seriously like the super stickers. Save those tops, dips will hit. Yeah, man. We're gonna see how low we go, man. Bitcoin's trying right here, guys. I mean, it's trying. Pulled that 4-hour. RSI is sitting at 39, man. So as of right now, looks like you're getting rejected. That 14-day tried to cross that 50. You're getting rejected. You're heading down. Still looks really bearish. I mean, you do for a pop right here. It comes shortly. Will you get the pop? Possibly hop back above that level and not break these tops within this range right here and then head back down. I'm bearish right now until this bill is signed, so that gives me a point to be bearish for the next 2 weeks. You know, I don't like being bearish, but I think once this bill gets signed, short term it's going to lift everything up. A road trip? I got you, man. Chilling after a long day of work. Same thing, man. Doing the same old thing, man. Just hopping on the stream, kind of touching base with y'all, letting y'all know I do think we have some more room to dip out in the short term right here, but I think it'd be short-lived. I think we got a time frame of 2 weeks before we hit bottom, real bottom, and I hope I'm wrong. Hopefully the bill gets passed tomorrow, like I said, but I'm being realistic here. Like, until that bill gets signed, I think that's what's really going to bring down the markets. I mean, as you can see, I know you just hopped in here, but the whole futures, everything's down. Everything is red, man, except your oil and gas and a few other little BS sectors down here. But everything's pretty much red right here. Shiba acting different, but you know, FTM, someone reported it was up 3% in the chat earlier, so that's good to see, but nothing else I could see on the Coinbase. I couldn't find another crypto stock that was actually green today. One Shot, man, I know you like this. Let's take down Matic for a second and put Webull added Avalanche, my boy, down 7% today. Still holding though. And the ticker's not moving on it though, so I wonder why. But that's a good sign, man. They added Algo too. Let's see where Algo's at. 161, down 4% today. So that right there, it tells me a sign that Algo could quite possibly get listed to Webull. You quite possibly could be looking at a Safe Moon listing. We'll see. Usually they list them to the platform, and then within a span of a couple months, will actually, you know, have to where you can buy and sell on the platform. So we'll see what happens. I mean, as of right now, XRP is still on Webull. It's just not tradable. So I think it will be tradable. Yep. Yeah, they're definitely good indicators, Clown Baby. Yeah, Snowman, that's my thought process, dude. I think it's now 10/18 or possibly sooner, you know. I don't think they stretch it out into the 18th. I think possibly maybe this weekend. I think after the government shuts down on Friday, you might even see it Friday. They might just create some FUD, you know, get everybody concerned, let the markets drop a little bit, you know, whether, you know, I'm not going to speculate about, get too deep into politics about what they're doing, but I do think they'll create some FUD, some good buying opportunities. So I'm not selling for that reason, and I'll just buy the dip on this one. It's good to know that me as a trader, I'm expecting a dip. You know, ADA 204 right now. You know, Doge 1981. I'm expecting a pretty good dip right here, and I'm not concerned about it because I think it'll be right back to where it's at. And people might ask me like, hey man, wouldn't you just sell out if you truly believe a dip is coming? Well, no, not necessarily, man. I'm gonna hold tight. I'm gonna chill out. I'm not gonna overreact. I think it's gonna come right back and way past where we're sitting right here. So I'm not gonna overreact. I'm gonna just save some dry powder for when it gets to the point. Possibly 190 on ADA, maybe be the bottom. Could you see 185, 180? It depends. It just depends. No one can predict the future, but I am. I mean, if you guys know me, y'all been rocking with me for a while. I don't sit here and talk about crypto going down. I think this is the most I've ever talked about how I think crypto is going down in the short term. And for me to come out here and say that, you know, I'm usually not a hype man, but I'm positive, and I am trying to be positive in this scenario right here. I'm just saying I do think we have some room to dip out, and I know a lot of people are already concerned. So it is, you know, to me it's very concerning what's going on right now. Yes, they did, Snowman. One shot. I took a little buy and on the dip, but I really think Bitcoin will hit 39, 38 bottom. Yes, I think I said earlier, I think I was looking at the charts. I think, man, all my stuff since I set up the new computer is all my lines are gone. I'd have to, I might revert back or just spend a couple hours popping some lines one night off the stream. But I think I was seeing somewhere around 37. I was thinking could quite possibly be bottom. But last time we were, let me see. Last time we were seeing those numbers, we had Dogecoin at 16 cents, Bitcoin at 26. And, you know, looking at them, comparing those two, yeah, it's relevant. That was the last real hard crash we had. And then seeing Bitcoin at 41 and Doge at 19 makes you think, like, what if Bitcoin would flash crash again? How low could Doge go? And would it be temporary? Of course, I do think it would be temporary. But would you get below that 16-cent level? That would be a major FUD factor for Dogecoin, especially, but with the rest of the crypto market. You know, they'll start seeing, you know, possibly 24 Ethereum. You might even pick up XRP somewhere around 75 cents, man. If this happens the way I'm thinking. But also, guys, I think right after you see this, it could quite possibly go on a pretty good run right after. So we'll keep an eye on it. What's up, Dougie P? How you doing, man? Hey, man. How low do you think Bitcoin, Cash, and Litecoin will go? Most of my holdings want to average down. I haven't done no Litecoin TA in a while, man. So I'll pop out the chart real quick. Clown Baby might give you a good reference. He's pretty big in the Litecoin. Let me see. Dougie P, man, I see you new to the stream, man. If you could hit that subscribe button for us, man. If you have any questions, let me know. Let's break this down. So you got pretty strong support at 103 right here. Man, I used to have lines popped across here, but I just got a new computer, new PC. So all my lines are gone, man. Shit. Where are we currently sitting at? I don't have the ticker up. Litecoin 143. Man, I'm starting to see that 130 range, man. That's kind of what I'm thinking. 130, and then you got some support at 80, somewhere between 90 and 130. I would say if it continues to go like it's going, I think that 103. I'm sorry, somewhere between 103 and 90. If we continue this downtrend until that bill comes out. Say you don't go quite as low, you could quite possibly see a bounce somewhere around 120. You're already below at 140. 135, you got some decent support. I'll put a line there. I like the pretty even numbers too. I would say a break below 135, you could quite possibly see that 103 retest, man. So keep an eye on that. Let me see Dougie P. Bitcoin Cash. I don't think I've ever done TA on Bitcoin Cash, man. All the charts look the same, man. Somewhere around 378, maybe you got 370. I would say you got some pretty good, decent support, my man. 370, and then below that, you possibly looking 260, 270 range. But it's looking pretty bearish, man. You got that 14-day, that's on the day chart too, man. You got that 14-day hooking below both that 200-day and the 50-day. And the RSI is really, really extremely low, man. 31 right now, completely oversold on the day chart. So you could, I would say, I'm pretty confident you're heading back to see somewhere around 380, man. That's what I'd be looking for, a bounce right there as a potential buy-in. And you could quite possibly, you know, end up between 275 and 380 if the dip continues real hard, my man. Really consider selling 20-25% to buy back lower, but I'm afraid the minute I do it, everything will work. Hey, he sold, pamp it. That's exactly what's gonna happen, man. Happens to me every time. So you kind of damned if you do and damned if you don't. I use Robinhood still as my main portfolio. They need to add some more coins. Cardano should be first. I totally agree with you on that one. ADA should be on Robinhood. Surprised it's not. Everyone, I have to bounce for the night. Everyone have an amazing night. Mass Market, you too, brother. Thank you, Robert Dean, for tuning in, man. Much love. Greatly appreciate y'all the time, man. Thanks for tuning in. Right on. I'll test it out this Friday night. Coming, Matt. I'll see if it breaks. Nah, it's all good, man. I don't think you can break it, though. I'm not trying to brag, but I don't think it's possible this time. Anything's possible, but I don't think it's possible. What's up, Vampire Kangaroo? How you doing, my brother? Sorry I'm behind on the chat, guys. I go on some rants sometimes, but I'm just trying to answer everybody's questions. Why, you know, only got 14 people rocking here, so take some time. Sorry if I'm taking a little bit to get to your questions. Thank you, Robert Dean. Solana still holding 130. I didn't even look at Solana, man. I think Solana's, I think it's a good buy right now, but it could quite possibly go a little bit lower, man. Whoa, when did I pop this? I must have popped that. I don't know. This is a brand new computer, so I don't know when this got popped. But you got strong support at 127 and then 124 right here. So I need to pop those lines right there. We'll call it 128 and then 124. So you got resistance somewhere. 141 would be a pretty good level if we jump over. That's what I'm kind of seeing. Let's call it 140. We'll call it 140. I think you get a break above 140, you start working your way back up. But I'm expecting it to get rejected. You did quite briefly pop underneath that wedge, but you have a ascending wedge right here. What we're seeing. Yep, you got a ascending wedge heading up. So a break. See, like right here, if we would have got the break to the downside, being this far back in that ascending wedge, I would say the bears are in control. But Solana's hanging up really good right now, guys. Charts don't look bad at all. You could potentially get a break to the upside, and you know, we see Solana do some weird shit, like Solana will be up 20%, the whole market will be red 5%, especially off the NFT play. So very interesting to see. I might leave this chart up for a little bit and keep my eye on this to see if you get a break to the upside, but how much upside will you actually break to, especially with all the FUD in the market. I'm still bearish. While you might get a break above it briefly, we'll have to see if we break down and possibly, you know, we could stay in this channel. There's no telling that we have to, you know, go off this ascending level of support that we have right here. And we'll see what happens. we'll keep an eye on it. Let me see. What's up, Joseph? SafeMoon wallet on Android platform working on iOS. Thanks for that knowledge, my friend. Wow, baby, a flash pump would be a lot cooler. Would be a lot cooler. Little bull flag on the 5-minute for BTC. Let's see what you rapping about, my man. Yeah, it's just we keep getting rejected, man. That's the only thing. We're getting rejected again, it looks like. I don't think, I said it at the beginning of the stream, I don't think we get the break. It's possible, but you're getting rejected again off this level. So we'll keep an eye on it. Let's see. Litecoin, within 3 years of time, we will see it at 5,500. Invu, I think Clown Baby is your best friend at this time. I like this guy. I knew it. Hey, I didn't even see a comment before I said that. I already knew it. One shot. Yeah, I got a nice position in AVAX and Algo. Good stuff. Yep, we got Algo trading at 162, man. Looking good. I'm still holding mine too. Thank you, Dougie P. Dougie Fresh. Thank you, my man. Luna following the path. I don't know if they have Luna charts on Webull. They should. Luna stock. No, they don't. Put some AVAX. That's not what I wanted. AVAX Avalanche. Oh, I think I had Algo. I forgot the ticker ain't working for that. There we go. Vampire Kangaroo. That's a funny dude, man. I seen him at chat one night. He had me cracking up, man. Thanks for tuning in, my brother. Yeah, she's trying, man. I mean, we might get the break, you know. But if we keep getting rejected, we're getting that retest right now. Let's see. Clown Baby says, let's get Bitcoin back to 42. I mean, we're close, man. A break right here, we could definitely pop back to 42. I mean, it's possible for us to have a green day tomorrow. I just don't see why we would. I think we just continue to bleed off a little bit. Maybe have a green day in between. Maybe that green day will be tomorrow. Who knows? I'm not trying to pump SafeMoon, even though I hold that lottery ticket. I'm just saying it's available. There you go, man. So that's what we got right now, guys. Bitcoin, I'll hang out a couple more 5-minute candles, see what happens. Hey guys, I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. I got a little bit of SafeMoon I bought back in April, and that was kind of a lottery ticket. I don't really even care what happens to it. So XRP ticker looks frozen, man. What's going on right here? Why is XRP frozen? Throw some XLM up then. XLM is frozen too. Webull crazy sometimes with their charts, man. XRP's famous for freezing though. I don't know why. Yeah, I think he has fun with the bot sometime, man. I think he's having too much fun with that bot. That guy's cracking me up, man. Let me check something real quick. Hook my two boys up with a wrench, man. All right. Why is the bot there? To keep people from spamming all caps, man. Here we go. Bitcoin heating up right here. Getting ready for that test of 41,886. I want to see it on the 5-minute break. 5-minute candle open and close would signify a bounce. I would be happy with. It's got everything it needs to get back over this level right here. We'll see what the whales are about to do. The whales are watching it right now. They're seeing this. Let's see what they do. Now remember guys, don't get faked out. You can have a 5-minute candle open and close. It could be a false break at that level. One shot, man. I do think algo will be a pretty good play. Let me take the spam off the cloud bot. Alright, I took the all caps off, man, so you good. No more arguing with the bot. We're good to roll now. Rick's getting all hype over there. 42 incoming. We need to get this break first, man. Holy shit. I think you get rejected here, you might tumble pretty hard. We'll see what happens. There's a fight going on for Bitcoin right here, definitely. Let's zoom in a Doge. Put that on the 5-minute. Sorry, I'm slacking right here off the charts when I go on my rants. Rick, I don't think I ever saw you curse, man. That's funny, brother. Riding that level right here, guys. 41,876. I think if we can't get over it, we'll take a pretty good hit. You might actually head back. I don't know. We'll have to see. That RSI is starting to hook back down. Of course, this is the 5-minute, but let's go back to that 4-hour. See what's going on. RSI is starting to heat up a little bit. It's up to 40. It was at 39. You can definitely pop back above it, but you're not breaking these tops. So, hey, man, you know, you could possibly see 43 again tomorrow or tonight. You know, it could come back up and not necessarily break these tops like it's been doing. You could quite possibly get like a little momentum play right here. Get Doge back above 20. Quick swing trade opportunity. It's very possible. I mean, you're at this bottom right here, and you're starting to make some little bit higher lows and lower highs. To me, that's trying to really short-term consolidation right here. We'll see if we get a break to the upside. I do think a pretty good move is coming, whether it's to the upside or downside in the short term. But those M's, I find them to be bearish. If we break 42, I'm gonna light a Cuban cigar. There you go, man. Matt, take a look at CTSI coin. Let's check it out, man. Oh, they don't have it on here. Let me see. Down 4%, 56 cents. Yeah, man. Hey, dude, that's actually that chart doesn't look bad. I know I can't show y'all right here, but see. Let me see what it is. CTSI coin looks like a pretty good bouncing opportunity right there, man. That chart looks pretty decent, man. I'm gonna dig into that after the stream, actually. Rick says, I'm with you. I'm gonna light a Cuban cigar with you. Let's get back to that 5 minute. So it's looking decent, guys, on the 5 minute. Let's look at that 15 minute. So you did see this little pump, but you never broke that high right there. You started breaking some highs here, where you see a pretty decent pump and come back down. Didn't even go back to retest the 200-day moving average, which you got hooking down. That's on the 15-minute chart. Let's get back to the 5 minute. Yeah, it looks like we might be getting that break. You probably gonna see 42 here if we get an open and close above this level. Dogecoin climbing too, looking to get back over this 1986 level, quite possibly looking for a 20-cent retest. ADA probably gonna get this pop right here, might be a little momentum play, but Doge currently testing that 200-day moving average. We'll see what happens. I think if Bitcoin continues popping right here, Doge will get bust above that 200-day moving average. That's it, man. Clown baby. Whoa. What we got over here? 42. Go ahead and light your cigar, my boy. Can we hold it, though? Can we hold it? Hey, you know what's crazy, though? You know what's crazy? I'm still not sold because this candle started underneath that level of resistance. I want one to open and close above it. Let's see if we get this fake out right here. You need more hype music? I got you, dog. Dude, I saw 42.2. This candle's rocking, man. One Shot GT says, let's go Bitcoin. Hey, we're getting some pretty nice candle, man. That's good to see. Really good to see. Bitcoin is only down 1.18%. But watch, this is the next candle that's going to tell you if we're getting this break, guys. Matt, your stream is repeating, bro. Y'all let me know if I'm having technical issues over there. There we go. Looks like we might have got the break for now. It's a pretty decent little win, guys. I'll take it though. There we go. I saw it out the corner of my eye, dude. Bitcoin's trying to run here, guys. Look, Doge. Yeah, we'll probably get the break back above 20 right here. That's gonna be a pretty major level climb, baby. 20 cents, my man. What's up, man? Just sub. Thanks for some love, Doge content. Love it. Hey, thank you very much, man. Live content, got you, man. Appreciate that, my brother. Appreciate all the support, man. If you got any questions, man, feel free to let me know. Nah, I took the bot off for you, man. You good? $19.96. I don't see nothing stopping Doge from getting this 20-cent retest. But this is what concerns me, guys. These tops. Can't see it too good on the 30-minute. It's looking good. It is. We were due for a bounce, but we're not getting a break over this top. We can hop back above 20, but if we don't get back above some 2010, somewhere around there, start breaking them tops, we might get rejected down pretty hard. So we'll keep an eye on it. It's looking good though, guys. I'd like to see some green hopping back in. What's up, One Shot GT, man? Thank you very much for that $1.99 super sticker, man. Much love, my brother. Thank you. Appreciate the love and support, man. I'm just hawking these charts like everyone else right now. It's all good, man. Thanks for tuning in, my brother. One Shot GT coming in with another $5 super sticker, dude. Thank you very much, man. Getting me crunk over here. Getting me excited. Some Bitcoin green going on. And the Dogecoin. Will we get to retest the 20 cents? We don't know. Quite possibly. Clown Baby says it's the moment of truth in the short term. Next 5-minute candle start now, guys. Will it turn out to be green? I have to know, Clown Baby. Did you like the Cuban? That's the real question we need answers to right now. Maybe if you like that Cuban, we might stay above 42, my man. If we dip, though, you better put it out. That's all I'm saying. You save that shit for when we start ripping, man. Hey, One Shot, appreciate you telling me about that CTSI, man. I'm really going to look into that. That chart looks really, really good, man. Oh, I thought that was you, Clown. Oh, it was Invu. My bad. Clown Baby said I did a dab, though. That's funny, man. What's up, Jay Rogers? How you doing, my brother? Good to see you, man. Coming in hot. I just bought 400 link. 400 link. Hey, DeFi is hot, man. I like some chain link, man. Next 5-minute candle trying to turn green right here. Look at Doge. I just saw trigger red. Let's see what happens. Not even. So we did briefly touch 20 cents right there. 2003, 2003. Getting hard rejected, looks like. But we're popping off that level of support, which, you know, you got a 5-minute candle right here. It opened and closed above it, so it should be technically supported at this point. So a bounce right there, very good sign. RSI is heating up, but it's cooling back off right here. It's starting to hook. So if we can hold this level of support right here and then find another hook on that RSI, get it heated up again. We hit a high on the RSI 5-minute at 66. We're at 61 right now. Let's see if we can hold this level right here. What's up, OMG? Good to see you. Did you know that Verge was a no, I did not, man. Did not know. That's what it feels like, Clown Baby. It's just following Bitcoin again, man. Just waiting to see what it does. Yeah, I fully believe in that, Snowman. Not every coin is a good investment, but I do believe there's a lot of good coins out there. Imbu says, to be honest, I'm glad we passed the 41K. I am too, man. That was pretty exciting, and that's why I'm saying sentiment's so freaking low right now. We're getting excited about a little 5-minute pump, which is a good pump. But we get excited about that, man. Wait till crypto goes to do its thing toward the end of the year, man. I mean, it's going to be back to how people fell in love to it. You know, it'll be FOMO in the air. Be some good times again. Oh, so you actually bought into it, Snowman? I'm watching Doge right now. Let me I'm gonna make Doge bigger. Doge is my baby, man. I want to do that. I want to take that chart. I know what we need. I gotta get my JFK bag, man. Let that roll. OMG, voice mod sucks. I left the stream up last night, guys, and I guess somewhere around 4 o'clock in the morning, voice mod just kept dinging. My bad, OMG. Thanks for holding it down through the voice mod fiasco. So thank you. Sorry about that. Clown Baby says, "What was the low of the day?" You're referring to Doge or Bitcoin? Okay, you're asking 40,006. Let me see. That's gotta be it. I'm seeing 4782 on my chart, man. 40,782, my brother. So 5 minute looking pretty decent. 2008 would be a pretty big test for the 5 minute, but you might start looking to get rejected here unless get some real good volume stepping in. But Bitcoin looking nice on the 5 minute, guys. Yeah, definitely Imbu. Some of y'all are fast learners. If people get money from Hamster Coin, they get money for Doge. Dropping some knowledge, my boy. It's all about the Doge, man. I'm not gonna lie, man. That's my favorite crypto. That's my favorite cryptocurrency. That's where it all started for me. Getting a little pop on Doge right now. Retest of 20 cents right here. Why did my line get taken off at 20? I know I had one at 20. Watch it on the one. Hey, Clown Baby, watch it on the crack mode, the 1 minute mark. Excuse me. Yeah, OMG, if you just tune in, I was talking about that. That's what I think is going to flood the market, possibly have us down until that bill gets passed. Just my opinion, it's just my thoughts. I don't think, the way they're talking, I don't know if it'll happen this week. It might possibly be like maybe the weekend. I'm including Friday in that, but I'm thinking at some point next week. And I think once that happens, that might be the turnaround for crypto and stocks. So we'll see. But everybody should get an alert on your phone when that thing passes. If you have any type of news app on your phone, you should get the alert. That way you'll know to watch the prices. I think they'll start to shoot up pretty good at that point. If not briefly prior to it, you know, insider trading information and stuff like that. Yeah, it's barely ripping, even on the 1 minute. So guys, best case scenario, we can pop back above 20 cents right here. That's what I'm currently looking for. 209, 210. I have a red candle going up. What's going on here? Oh, you guys don't check yet? Yeah, I check my stock and crypto prices. Probably more than that, man. Bitcoin turning green right here. We might hop back above 20 right here. There we go. There we go. 20 cents on Doge. Why is the Doge chart? Okay, now it's moving. That 5-minute chart's messing with me, man. So we hit a high of 2010 right there on this 5-minute candle. Bitcoin's pumping. Check Bitcoin out. Now, hold on 1 second. So we still got some room to grow, man. I think 43.50, somewhere within that range. Maybe even 43.9. I think we could get back to. You could possibly swing trade this back. Starting a new day right now, guys. So we are seeing some green pump in. That's why everything's starting to turn green. XRP is always delayed on Webull for some reason or not. So I'm pretty sure that would be green too as well right now. But it's not. Let's see if XRP, XLM, I mean, is updating. Yeah, XLM's back working. We'll leave that up right now. So yeah, a bunch of green across the board. Looks half-ass decent with that one little green candle on the 4-hour right here. So I definitely think you'll see a swing trade opportunity between here and 42.9 on Bitcoin. Maybe a little less, maybe a little more. But I'm just going off the trend we're having, setting those lower highs. So right here, you came back to pretty much the top part of this. And then if we end up falling within that range, it might even be 43.5 we get to before we get some major traffic and then get rejected to come back down again and see where we land. So let's hope everything stays pretty bullish for the short term. But in the long term, until that bill gets passed, I'm going to remain a little bearish, guys. So if it real for a bull ride, hit them facts, man. Havlings matter. No, we're still here, man. So finally back above 20 cents. That's good to see. Got ADA back at 208. Let's hope the day turns out to be green. Let's hope it's not like a little fake out, but we were due for a bounce, guys. So be on that lookout for 43.5 to 43.8. 44 would be a real big level to try to retest, but yep, everything's starting to pop again for the short term. It's like a little reverse head and shoulders right here and then pop up. Not bad. Andre P says, love your music here. Thank you, man. Yeah, OMG, I'm all for it. I like to see more than one green candle too. These can be fake outs. I mean, look at this. Look at this right here. That's a pretty decent sized green candle right here. I'd almost compare it to, you know, from this point, it's pretty much touching that support to, actually that might be a good idea, 42.582. Let's put a line right there just for shits and giggles, and we'll touch base on it tomorrow and see what's going on with it. 42.582. I'm not gonna get it perfect. I'll put it at 42.590. That would be a big level to pop over right there. And it's going quick. I'm surprised how quick it's actually moving up right here. I don't like that. The faster you run up in the short term, you know, you can fall just as hard. Could be a fake out. So, but that RSI is popping out the screen right here. That 14-day is hooking. That 50 is hooking. You're getting some volume stuff in there right now. I guarantee you. Webull doesn't have the volume on here, but I guarantee you getting some pretty good volume stepping in. One shot GT says Bitcoin, baby. Let's go. Brown Baby says I'm ready for a fake out too, but I'm hoping it rips. I'm tired of them fake outs. Next 5-minute candle looking green on Bitcoin at 42.590 level, somewhere around 582. Big level. You get a pop over that, I would get pretty excited for the day. Alex says hello everyone, just hopped in to say hello. Hope everything is going well. It's going pretty decent at this time. Alex, man, how you doing? Thank you for tuning in, man. Greatly appreciate it, man. Good to see you. If you just tune in real quick, man, just do your boy a favor, hit that like button for me. Help with the algorithm, man. I had an issue today with YouTube. I had a live stream going, and it was titled Dogecoin Live, and I would search Dogecoin Live, and I could not find that video whatsoever. Like, it was just like it wasn't even there. So that's the reason we were gonna do a little 24/7